Alright, today is, I think November, dude, I don't know, November 2nd or 3rd, I'm not sure. I still can't keep track of my days. Still in La La Land when it comes to what day it is, what month it is. Just due to the fact is, it's just another day right now. This is an update for Logan. And his last chemo was like 3.5 weeks ago. Yeah, 3.5 weeks ago, I think. Or maybe it's 4.5 weeks. I can't remember. Like I said, I can't keep track of my days. I think it's 3.5 weeks. So, he had his last chemo 3.5 weeks ago. And then that was his last chemo, and then we had scans on Monday, which was the 30th, I think. Yeah. And then he had a scan yesterday, which was the 1st. Today would be the 2nd. Figured it out. So he had scans on the 30th. He had a PET scan and echocardiogram, which is for his heart to make sure chemo didn't damage his heart. And then we had a CAT scan on his chest yesterday, which would have been Wednesday the 2nd. Dude, I can't. 1st. And CAT scan came out good, nice and clear. PET scan, they said they picked up some lymph nodes. I don't know if the oncologist is gonna say, hey, we're gonna have to look into that farther. Not sure. I hope not. I hope it's just a reactive thing. Body's healing. Not sure, not a doctor. So, other than that, scans didn't show anything, which is good, which means other than the lymph nodes, if the oncologist says, hey, you know, those are kind of reactive lymph nodes expected to be there, then we're looking at a cancer-free diagnosis from the scans, which is very good, exciting, an accomplishment, like something you never want to accomplish. You know, having cancer and then beating cancer. It's not what you want to accomplish in life, but you do, and you did, which is good. So that's basically it. From here on out, it's basically physical therapy. You know, learning how to walk again with not your real leg. It's a challenge, and plus his leg is a little longer. So there's kind of a, you know, discrepancy in there with trying to learn how to walk with a leg that's a little bit longer. So, and you know, one thing I thought of that, you know what, he probably needs a wedge on his shoe. Just thought of that. Maybe that would help him, like, even out some. Probably. Didn't think of that till now. I don't know. I don't know. I'm blank. But physical therapy is going good. He is progressing. He's feeling better. Now that he doesn't have to do chemo, he's definitely feeling better. He's back to, you know, he's getting back to his self, besides not being able to walk without a walker. He still walks with a walker. And I've been trying to graduate him to start using a cane. You know, you think seeing this video, you think I'm talking about my grandfather. But no, I'm talking about my 13-year-old son, you know. It's like stuff I never even thought I'd be saying, like my son's using a walker. But it is what it is. and he does have a leg, and in that aspect, everything is good. It's just trying to get back to somewhat of normal. It'll never be normal as he knew it, but from here on out, normal is going to be trying to deal with what he's got going on every day with his leg. But he'll get through. He'll learn, he'll get through, he'll get stronger, but it's just going to take some time. So I'm hoping when we go to the doctor, I think we'll probably have to make an appointment, go down there, or at least talk to her on the phone about his scans. I'm hoping everything is going to go good. We'll see what happens, but this is just a quick update of what's going on. I haven't gave an update in a little bit, and I appreciate, the family appreciates all the support everyone has gave us, and is still giving us. I still need help. I'm still, like this week, I'm missing work again, because of, I got to go for scans. I'm missing half day here, half day there. I'm getting back to work. Then we got physical therapy 2 days a week. It's just still not quite making my 40, so it's still hard, and I really do appreciate the support from the GoFund Me, the Zelle, Venmo, Amazon wish list. Our family does appreciate all the support you guys have given us. It was amazing. But I still need I still need support. It's just, I don't ever ask for anything, but I have to. If you guys could donate, please do. If you can't, just watch videos. Support me on YouTube. Just watch the videos, get me ad revenue. That's all I ask. That gets me some kind of monthly, from the ad revenue. It's not much, but it's something. But if you guys could donate, highly appreciate it. So, probably have another update here in a week or so, just because we'll find out what the oncologist says, and then we'll go from there. See you on the next one. Thanks, everyone. Appreciate it.